Assalamualaikum children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Again we are back with English subject. You can see on your screen sight words. Today we are going to recapitulate all the sight words from the beginning, children. Are you ready for that? Let's do it. See the screen. See here, read the heading sight words. S-I-G-H-T, sight. W-O-R-D-S, words. What teacher told you? What are sight words? Sight words helps us to make sentences. Without sight words, we can't make sentences. See here, children, let us read aloud. Are you ready? A. What I told you? A sound is A. I. I-S is. T-H-E, the. T-H-I-S, this. T-H-A-T, that. H-E, he. S-H-E, she. A-R-E, are. H-A-S, has. H-A-V-E, have. M-Y, my. W-E-V. D-O, do. H-E-R, her. D-O-E-S, does. Y-O-U, you. Y-O-U-R, your. H-I-S, his. B-I-G, big. S-M-A-L-L, small. P-L-A-Y, play. S-E-E-C. W-I-L-L, will. A-N-D, and. H-E-R-E, here. F-R-O-M, from. N-E-A-R, near. T-H-E-R-E, there. U-N-D-E-R, under. So what we learned just now, children, we have learned sight words from the beginning till the end, which we have already learned. What we have done just recapitulate. Just we recapitulate all the sight words. So today I will show you the activity also. Let's do this, children. See the worksheet. What is your activity? Let us read. See the sentences. With the help of sight words, you can see the sentences are written here. See the girl and boy. This is a boy. T-H-I-S. This I-S is a B-O-Y, boy. This is a boy. We have to underline the sight words. Wherever you are finding the sight word, just we have to underline it. Like this. Okay? The word this is a sight word, children. So, underline that. See the next is. Is also a sight word. A is also a sight word. Okay? You have to underline the sight words. See the next sentence now. T-H-E-R-E, there. I-S is a. G-I-R-L, girl. N-E-A-R, near. H-I-M, him. There is a girl near him. You can see the boy, and even the girl is near the boy. You can see there is a girl near him. So, T-H-E-R-E, there is a sight word. I-S is also a sight word. A is also a sight word. N-E-A-R, near, is also a sight word. See the next sentence now. T-H-E, the. P-O-T, pot. I-S is, the pot is. N-E-A-R, near. T-H-E, the. C-O-T, cot. You can see the pot is near the cot. So here in this sentence, where is the sight word? This is a sight word. Even is is also a sight word. N-E-A-R, near, is also a sight word. T-H-E, the, is also a sight word. See the next sentence now. T-H-E, the. P-O-T, pot. I-S is S-M-A-L-L, small. The pot is small. You can see the pot is small. So here, which is the sight word? This is the sight word. I-S is also a sight word. And S-M-A-L-L, small, is also a sight word. So here what we are doing, children? We are underlining the sight words. See here, we have not done this. Why? Because the pot, P-O-T, pot, is not a sight word. It is a name of a object. Okay? See the next sentence now. T-H-I-S, this. I-S is a P-U-P, pup. This is a pup. You can see a baby pup is here. This is a pup. So in this sentence, where is the sight word? T-H-I-S, this is a sight word. I-S is also a sight word. A is also a sight word. Why we have not done this? Pup, because the pup is a name of a baby dog. Okay? See the next sentence now. T-H-E-R-E, there. I-S is a D-O-G, dog. There is a dog. N-E-A-R, near. I-T, it. There is the dog near it. You can see the dog is near the pup. So there is a dog near it. So where is the sight word here in the sentence? T-H-E-R-E, there is a sight word. I-S is also a sight word. A is also a sight word. N-E-A-R, near, is also a sight word. So why we have not done D-O-G, dog? Because the dog is a name of an animal. Okay? See the next sentence now. T-H-I-S, this. I-S is a C-A-T, cat. This is a cat. You can see the cat picture. This is a cat. In this sentence, where is the sight word, children? T-H-I-S is a sight word. I-S is also a sight word. A is also a sight word. Why we have not underlined this cat? Because the cat is a name of an animal. That is not a sight word. Okay, children? See the next line. T-H-E, the. C-A-T, cat. I-S is O-N, on. The cat is on. T-H-E, the. R-E-D, red. M-A-T, mat. The cat is on the red mat. You can see the cat is on the red mat. So in this sentence, where is the sight word? T-H-E, the, is a sight word. I-S is a sight word. T-H-E, the, is a sight word. Okay, children. So see, children, you can see in this sentences, many sight words are there. Without these sight words, if we have taken out the sight words, can we make the sentence? No, we can't make the sentence without the help of sight words. So the sight words helps us to make sentences. Okay, children, learn all these sight words, do it in the homework and send it to me. Thank you all.